When you first look at Maison Aubé, it feels less like a project that was recently completed and more like a home that has simply continued evolving over time. Originally built in 1811 along the banks of the Rivière de Mille Îles in Saint-Eustache, the house carries more than 2 centuries of layered history. For generations, the same family has lived here, gradually adapting the structure to meet changing needs. Over time, additions began to obscure the clarity of the original form. Rather than continuing that pattern, the latest intervention by YH2 Architecture approached the project as both a restoration and a recalibration, stripping back what didn't belong and redefining how old and new could coexist. From the exterior, the strategy becomes clear. Previous additions that disrupted the original proportions were removed, allowing the house to return to a more legible silhouette. Window openings were carefully reconsidered, respecting historic alignments while improving natural light. The cedar shingle roof was restored, bringing texture and authenticity back to the structure. Instead of exaggerating the building's age or romanticizing it, the architects focused on clarity, letting the original masonry walls and timber structure speak with minimal interference. Inside, the house reveals its age in the best possible way. Exposed wooden beams, stone walls, and a central hearth anchor the space with a sense of permanence. These elements weren't concealed or polished beyond recognition. They remain tactile and imperfect. One of the most significant spatial interventions is a double-height living area inserted within the historic volume. By opening the ceiling and exposing the roof structure, the architects created a vertical connection that draws daylight deep into the interior while offering a new perspective on the craftsmanship overhead. It's a subtle but powerful shift, expanding spatial experience without erasing history. Beyond the original structure, a contemporary extension introduces a new chapter. Rather than competing with the historic house, the addition positions itself discreetly among mature trees on the property. Its form stretches and narrows in response to the natural slope of the land. Circulation through this volume unfolds along a central ramp, gently connecting different levels in a way that feels intuitive and grounded. The movement through the space mirrors the landscape itself, gradual, continuous, and fluid. Material choices further distinguish yet harmonize the new construction. Dark cedar cladding, charred wood tones, and a gravel roof allow the extension to visually recede into its wooded surroundings. Large openings frame views of the garden while maintaining privacy. Between the historic home and the new volume, a glazed connector acts as a threshold, a transparent pause between centuries. It's not just a hallway, it's a moment of transition where you become aware that you're stepping from one era into another. In the end, this project isn't about contrast for the sake of contrast. It's about continuity. The restored 19th century house and its contemporary counterpart form a cohesive whole, one grounded in landscape, memory, and daily life. Through the lens of photographer Maxime Brulette, we see a home that feels lived in rather than staged. Maison Aubé demonstrates how thoughtful architecture can extend the life of a historic structure without freezing it in time, allowing it to remain part of an evolving family story while responding to the needs of today.